This content is about the step-by-step procedure and the correct way of uploading images to Wikipedia. I will be uploading an image that I fully own. I intend to upload an image of a place which is Lexington Avenue, located at the east side of Manhattan, New York City. I captured this image myself in the year 2017 while I was in New York City, and the image has been in my hard drive ever since. I have never uploaded it or shared it on the internet. It is important to note that simply finding an image on social media or search engine do not grant the right to upload it to Wikipedia. You need to ensure that the image is either your own or explicitly licensed for free use. Unauthorized uploads can lead to copyright violations and removal of the content. Images found on most social media websites are not automatically allowed on Wikipedia. I mean, images posted on social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and the rest are typically protected by copyright. Uploading them without permission is a copyright violation. Also, images found on search engines such as Google, Bing, or other search engines are not inherently free to use. They are usually copyrighted, even if they are widely available online. So the easiest method to avoid issues is to upload images that you fully own to Wikipedia. Uploading images to Wikipedia involves several steps to ensure compliance with licensing and platform guidelines. Here is a detailed step-by-step procedure. The right platform to upload images or pictures to Wikipedia is a Wikipedia project called the WikimediaCommons. To get access to upload your images, the images you intend to upload, you need to get an account. You need to sign up or register an account on Wikipedia before you can be granted access to upload your content. So on the Wikimedia Commons main page, you will see a button called Upload. On the right-hand side of your screen, click Upload to start the upload process. After clicking the Upload button, you will be taken to the Upload wizard. On the Upload wizard, select Media File to share. Click Select Media File to share. Ensure your content, the image, the picture, is on your device. So here I'll be selecting the image I have saved on my system. This is Lexington Avenue, located in the east side of New York City. So this image will upload. Once the upload process has been completed, click Continue. On this page, this is the release rights. So there are a series of questions, and I will select the best description that fits my work. So this image is entirely my work, and I will select the best description that fits my work. So regarding the licensing, what license do you want to publish this work under? I'll select the third one, which is Creative Commons Attribution Share Alike 4.0, which is the third. Which license do you want to publish this work under? I'll select the third, which is Creative Commons Attribution Share Alike 4.0. To the next one, please select the option that best describes the purpose of this work. I'll select this work provides knowledge, instruction, or information to others. After selecting the the best answer that describes my work, I will click Next. After selecting the answers, I'll click Next. On this page, I'll need to put proper description of the image. First, I'll start with the title, a caption. I'll copy the caption which I've saved on my system. Lexington Avenue, proper description. I'm putting proper description of the image I intend to upload. Now, I'll need further information to be specific so that others can find the content. I'll need to put proper description. Lexington Avenue. Once I'm done with this, I'll move to the categories so that others can find my work. On the category, I'll name it as Lexington Avenue. There's a content on Wikipedia. There's an article on Wikipedia called the Lexington Avenue. I will type that so that it can link to that article which exists on Wikipedia English. Once I'm done with the description, I will click Publish File. Now, the file has been published to Wikipedia. Now the image can be used by anybody on the Wikipedia project, on any Wikipedia project. Now I intend to add an image to an article that already exists on Wikipedia. After uploading an image to the WikimediaCommons Wikipedia project, I intend to add that image to an existing Wikipedia article called Lexington Avenue. So this is an image of Lexington Avenue. Here it is. This is a Wikipedia article called Lexington Avenue, and I intend to add an image to it. These are other images that exist on the platform, on the article, and I will add the image down close to public transport. I intend to add the image close to public transport. Or just down here. So let me scroll to edit. To do that, I'll click edit. To do that, I'll click edit. Scroll down. Now, this are what we call the wiki text. To edit Wikipedia articles, it is done with wiki text. So I'll be using the tool to add the image. So I will copy the file name. I'll copy the file name and add it here. Copy it and paste it here. Copy the file name and paste it here. Add the caption. Add the caption, Lexington Avenue, 6 January 2017, alternative text. I'm taking an alternative text, copying it from here. I'm copying the alternative text from here. I'm going to paste it. then insert. I'll click insert. Once that is done, now you can see the image. On the left hand side is the wiki text. On the right hand side is the preview page. Now once that is done, I will publish. But before I publish, I'll add a description of what I've done before I publish changes to the Wikipedia article. Okay, so edit summary. I'm adding edit summary. No, so once that is done, I will click publish changes to the Wikipedia article. So I've published this, and this is what it looks like. I've uploaded an image of Lexington Avenue to the Wikipedia article called Lexington Avenue. So this is how to upload or add images to Wikipedia articles. After adding my image to a Wikipedia article, I intend to also add the image to a Wikipedia project called Wikidata. So I'll show you the step-by-step process of adding an image to Wikidata. So over here, I'm going to click on. So to add image to Wikidata, this is the process. First of all, I'll scroll down and select add statement. I'll type image, then click image. Then I'll go to WikimediaCommons. Then paste the title, then select Lexington Avenue, then publish. To upload images to Wikipedia, there are several ways of doing that. This is the basic way, this is the simple way that I use to upload images to Wikipedia. So first of all, I go to the Wikipedia main page and I ensure that I'm logged in. If you do not have an account, ensure to get an account to start uploading images to Wikipedia. So first of all, I scroll down on the main page of Wikipedia and search for a Wikipedia project called WikimediaCommons. So you can see here, this is Commons. I will click on Commons to start uploading images. So I click here. So on WikimediaCommons main page, you'll see a button called Upload. Click on Upload to start the upload process. To start uploading the image, click on Upload on the right-hand side of your screen. So we have covered the step-by-step process of how to upload image to Wikipedia and to add the image to Wikipedia articles, also to other Wikipedia projects such as Wikidata and Wikipedia articles. This is the step-by-step process that I've shown. So please ensure to like, share, and comment on this video. Ensure to subscribe to this channel as well. Thanks.